Good morning with this lovely sunrise over the Luangwa river. Let's have a breakfast and head out into the bush. These beautiful red birds here are carmine bee eaters. Every year they nest along the banks of the river. We were just reading a book when all of a sudden the wind became very strong. I think a thunderstorm might be coming. Oh my god, look at this. It has started to rain heavily and the wind blows the rain just straight into our chalet. It's coming in through the front door and upstairs through the doors of the balcony as well. Luckily all our stuff is safe and dry. Meanwhile the power is down but the fan is still working. That's what they call wind energy, right? So this is the time that we should go out on an evening game drive, but it's still raining, still some thunders going on, and yeah, well, I'm heading to the main area of the camp right now to see what the plan will be for tonight. We'll probably wait for a little while and see if it gets dry and then head out, or otherwise we might just stay in. Well, the decision is made, it's almost dry now, so we're going to head out and hopefully some animals will show up and are not still hiding for the rain. Fingers crossed. Well, that was a rather unusual game drive. Instead of getting dry, the rain got worse again. We did see a leopard at the beginning of the game drive, so that was a really nice sighting. But afterwards the rain was really bad and there was mud everywhere in the park. We got stuck with the car twice, and especially the second time I thought we wouldn't get out anymore. But luckily here we are back at the chalet, nice and dry. We're having a shower and then go to sleep. Good morning, and a very good morning it is indeed, because what's better to wake up on than an elephant just over here visiting the camp. Wow, how's this for a view during breakfast? The elephant has come really close to the buildings. Hopefully we can find more elephants on our last game drive here.